So close your eyes if you can and draw on something you've heard this morning or felt. And we now take these teachings, these new ideas, we take this quantum leap out of this old archaic way into a new quantum leap, into a new quantum arena through our meditation to see what is possible in this new arena. So imagine you now that you've made the quantum leap. You've had a born-again experience. You're new. You feel different. You feel new. You've got a new revitalization, a new rejuvenation. You see and sense and know an easier way. And you see and sense and know that the prison that you live in, even at times, the door is open to that prison. It's wide open. And this is your day, this is your moment, this is your morning to walk right through that door. That I'm choosing liberation. I'm choosing greater peace. I'm choosing integration. I then shift out and invite you to a quantum leap out of black and white, either or thinking, to both and. And what that would do for you to live alive in the both and, freer of seeking, freer of wanting, freer of needs, absolutely free of any kind of shoulda, should. Alive, even imagine your tail wagging. Like, oh wow, I'm practicing here. Oh wow, I'm making choice. Oh wow, there's a different way to be. Yes, I see this, I sense this, I choose this. And when I notice I'm wanting their love and their approval and their appreciation, I'm awake now to know that that's an inside job. So then I take the pause to acknowledge self, to be the love I'm seeking, to be the love I want and need, to be the love I've had and haven't had. The return to power. Now imagine you as a third person. So you're in your same life, same relationships, same house, same bed, same job, same community, same neighborhoods. You're there exactly in the same situations, but you're very, very different. You have transformed, you have transcended. You have integrated reality. Aware that God is reality. What are your attributes? What are your characteristics in this new form? Who would you be? How would you be? Imagine. So we leave the old ways at this altar. Big, deep breath. I invite you to the biggest, deepest breath. Imagine a breath that's purifying, a breath that you bring up from the bottoms of your feet all the way through your being, and exhale out through the crown, out through the top of your head. Open at the top. Open, the top. Recalibrated for a quantum leap, as a quantum leap. And a big deep breath in through the crown and all the way down through the body, exhaling through the feet, purified, renewed, revitalized, restored, rejuvenated. We give thanks to a living, loving spirit, to a God, a creator, a universe, a mind that evokes this transformation, that invokes through us and as us, for us, the highest potential for the evolution of our soul, for the evolution of our being, and for the evolution of humanity. And we say yes again this morning. Yes, yes, yes. And so it is. Amen.